welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making appam. Now I'm going to show you how to make the appam quick and easy. We need rice-soaked water, yeast, coconut and cooked rice. Now I'm going to put everything together and blend it. Oh. Oh my god. Now I'm going to put some yeast. As you can see, the batter. Oh my! As you can see, I made the upper mix, and now we're gonna make it. I'm gonna use the oven for the outdoor cooker. Now you can see I put the oven inside, and it's cooking. It's better to leave the lid on. Now you can see the appam is ready. Tasty. So this is the plain part. And now we're going to add some Oreo, egg and coconut milk. Now I'm going to crush the appam. Oh my god. So now I'm going to crush the Oreos to put it on top of the appam, and it's going to taste so good. As you can see, I put Oreos on the appam. It's going to be yummy. As you can see, I made the appam with Oreos. Look, it's the egg appam. Add some coconut milk to the appam. Look, it's the egg appam. Now I'm going to try the appam. This one first. I already ate it. Yum. Second one. We'll go the first one. Third one. This is the best one. You can try it at home and buy to my channel. And please like and subscribe.